I want to talk a little bit about FIGA, which is the Florida Insurance Guarantee Association. FIGA is essentially there as a safety net for homeowners who find themselves in the position where their homeowners insurance company goes bankrupt. In that case, FIGA steps in and they honor that policy that was in place. In a situation in which I had, the homeowner had severe damage from a hurricane and filed a claim with his insurance company. Subsequently, that insurance company went bankrupt along the way, but let me tell you what happened leading up to that and why this injustice happened along the way and FIGA's role in that injustice. So the homeowner filed a claim with the insurance company. The insurance company agreed that some of the claim was covered and denied other aspects of the claim. Classic wear and tear to the roof and denied the roof, right? And so the homeowner files essentially a lawsuit against the insurance company, and we go to court. During that process, we arrive at a mediation, come to an agreement with the insurance company. We write up that agreement later on, get it signed, send it back to the insurance company. And in that process, before the insurance company actually honors that settlement agreement, they end up going bankrupt. Now, thereafter, we submit all the information to FIGA and say, hey, we settled this claim with the insurance company. You've stepped in the insurance company's shoes as kind of the honorary of that policy, and you're going to honor that policy. And here's the settlement agreement. And FIGA goes, not so fast, not our job. We're not going to honor that settlement agreement. Why? Because they believed it included attorney's fees, when most of these settlement agreements say, we're going to pay you this sum of money, and it's for everything under the sun. So you can't come after us for any other money. You can't come after us for, more damage if you find it later. You can't come after us for attorney's fees or costs. This is a lump sum of money. You all figure it out. And that's what had happened in this case. But because that word, it included all claims and fees, FIGA claimed, well, that includes some attorney's fees. And we don't have to pay attorney's fees. But that wasn't the case. It was a lump sum. And so we went back and forth with FIGA. Essentially, they forced our hand and we had to file a motion to enforce the settlement agreement. Now, along the way, they ended up changing position. And ultimately, they agreed to honor this settlement agreement. But let me tell you why. Because we then said, if you're not going to honor this settlement agreement, which we took at a great discount because the insurance company was going bankrupt and we knew that potential of the insurance company going bankrupt, we agreed to take a lesser sum than we felt entitled to get the case done and to be able to get some recovery for the homeowners. Because of that, then we said, FIGA, if you're not going to honor the agreement, fine, you don't have to. Let's readjust the entire claim and go back to the start, and we're going to go after what was truly owed in that case, no discounts. FIGA then all of a sudden changed their position and quickly issued that check. So the moral of the story is you can't really trust the safety net that's in place here in Florida. You still may have a fight on your hands, even if you think that safety net is there to protect you.